P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There we go.
And that's it.
Box. Just playing out here with Gabrielle. Just doing this. I think they lost momentum, a lot of momentum doing this. And it just encouraged City. There you go, again, win. And they're thinking, that's interesting. I don't fancy it as much in this second half. We're going to go for them.
I noticed a tweet here, and I said, I'm going to go up there and check this place out.
We went to church with them. When I walked in, it was mind-blowing because it was people my age. They were all young, hippies, college people.
Easy Jesus. My brother's standing. Yes, I was expecting to be able to spend time with my brother and talk to him. But my brother and I were separated. After a little while, I met a girl and I fell in love. And I became more or less institutionalized into the labor, the work, and you just quit thinking. You don't use your own discernment. The only discernment of right and wrong is what the co-leaders tell you. They test.
Hello viewers, now in Jewish and Australian cooking, chicken soup is regarded as the cure for everything, what William Langland might have called the font of peace and the most precious of. You can use a spoon. This actually works. Look at this, you're getting this. A spoon, a teaspoon, peels ginger.
Our guy isn't close. He's known that he's died abstracted. Not his machine, but
They don't want to cause you any more trauma. But can you remember roughly what happened?
I just running in the road. I could hear this noise. And as I looked up and I could see his pointing at the machine coming at me and I didn't have time to do anything.
was he struck in the cold rock?
He was driving up the dead man.
And do you remember which part of the car hit you?
As I got out of the car on my front side.
Okay.
Once there, the SS sentenced him to hanging torture, a punishment favoured in other concentration camps as well, where the prisoner was made to carry his full body weight on arms pulled back into an unnatural position.
He wanted to hang me on the...
Auschwitz had almost no involvement in the Nazis' anti-Jewish actions. Instead, Nazis elsewhere helped initiate the mass murder of the Jews. Like here in Hamburg, one of Germany's major cities.
Listen to me, young man. Get your butt back upstairs to bed. You understand? Don't ever pull this on me again. Now move.
I've decided there's something I like better. Much better. It's called the stuff. And believe me, enough is never enough.
A month ago, they acquired the chocolate chip Charlie chain of outlets on the West Coast with the intention of converting them.
That's film that.
Hint. Oh, for fuck's sake. You and your curb bollocks. Right. So, Theatre of Blood. Frankenstein Critical One, which I've got on Blu-ray now.
Oh, brilliant. And then
Edge of the Axe. You're a cunt for these curb bollocks, you.
Let's look a bit harder because it's...
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.